Now, we did learn about this AAA pattern in the previous lecture. Another thing I want to mention here about writing good tests is that you want to keep your tests simple. This is really important to me because it's easy to build an overly complex test. And here it would already be a bit too much if you start adding a bunch of numbers in here. Of course, it will still work, there's nothing wrong with it, but which value does it add if you add more numbers? Of course, if you want to test whether the function maybe doesn't work correctly anymore with more numbers, then this could be a reason, but this shouldn't go into a test that just checks whether the numbers are summarized. For that, it's sufficient if you have 2 numbers in that array. So you want to keep your tests as simple and concise as possible, and you don't want to make them unnecessarily complex. Because you always have to think about yourself coming back to a test after a couple of weeks, or maybe a fellow developer diving into the test. And everyone should be able to quickly understand and, important, change this test if needed. So keep things simple as we're doing it here. And that, of course, was a lot of talking about the first test, but this is the foundation for the entire rest of this course and for your testing career in general. So now with that out of the way, let's dig a bit deeper into tests and let's see which other kinds of tests we could write.